Hey, Captain Chris Johnson. Woo, I just watched a very long live Marty DeGarmo talking from the heart. And it was long, let me tell you, but it was good. Check out Red Redford's recap today. Check out Peter Shore's notes in the back office. Both excellent, and I believe Daryl Cook actually helped Peter out with those notes. Another great note writer. So make sure you get back there. I believe the video was taken down. So get in there, read the notes. The notes are superb. And get in this. What's going on today? Today at 2 o'clock, we have the guest webinar. And Red Redford will be doing the presentation. He hasn't given one in a while. He does them very well. So make sure you get your people on there. Everyone's texting me. All right. So guys, today at 2 o'clock, get on the guest webinar. Good place to bring people. Red's going to be doing the live. Hold on. I got to turn this phone off. Hold on, guys. And that's a good place to get people involved. Red does a great presentation. And you'll have Charles, Marty, Susie on there helping out with everything they can. But that is at 2 o'clock. I did post that on my Facebook. Share that out to your family and friends that you haven't introduced to Passive yet. And tonight at 9 o'clock, we got the Oh Bless. We call it Oh Bless Brainstorming. I call it Oh Bless Educating now. We'll have the phenomenal Bahamas team on there. Daryl Cook, Janet Butler. They're going to break down what they're doing in the Bahamas through education systems and how they're doing it. This is what we want to do now. We want to educate people how to start projects, what they're doing. I'm going to try to do that more and more so we can educate everyone on how this is actually going to work. If you did notice, Michael Williams put a note in the back office and updates and webinars saying don't collect any money for a bless. Ash, we're waiting for Ash to break it down to us how he wants to do that. But it doesn't mean you don't have to stop helping. You can still help people. Just don't use it in the Bless and Passive name right now. That's all going to be done perfect. And when it comes out, Ash will have it laid out perfectly exactly what we got to do. There'll be forms to follow and everything like that. Let me say hi to a few people. I know you just went on Marty's very, very long live, which was very good. Tracy Gear, how you doing? Patty McGuigan, MD Sabul, John Menshaw Sarba, how you doing? Robert Tantillo, and it's jumping all over the place. Let me go up a little bit here. There's my Pat Parrott. She had her, I call it a great moment yesterday. It was a lot of moments. She was talking, and Ash Mafar came on there. Like I said the other day, Ash got to talk to Nancy. I've been waiting for that one. And I've been waiting for this one too. So Pat, way to go. Way to talk from your heart. I believe you are the example of a perfect founder, and I want you to just keep doing what you're doing. I know Ash was totally impressed by you and what you're going through, and you just keep going at it, Pat. We are a big admirers. You inspire every one of us. Steve Noel, what's happened? Karina Lance, how you doing? Did I say Robert Tantulo from Joyzy? Shout out for some prayers to my brother Robert. He's going through some things right now. Ask you to give him some silent prayers. Also, I'm hearing Renata lost someone in her family. Our condolences out to Renata. Always sad to hear that. So Renata, we're all here with you. And a lot of condolences from the entire family. I'm not sure all the information on that, but when I get it, I'll let you guys know. Jeannie Sinclair, how you doing? Owasam, Akram, how you doing? MD Sabuch, I think I said that right, not sure. Sam Pat Patel, what's happening, my brother? Keep doing what you're doing. I know big things happening in India on Sunday starting, and they're doing it already. They are belly to belly. They are marketing and passive. They are also a blessing and passive. So keep up what you're doing, guys. That'll start on Sunday. Well, they're doing it now, but Sunday, I believe it's 7:30 a.m. EDT time for us. So be ready for that. I'm sure all that will be posted in the back office. James Yates, how you doing? Karina Lance, what's happening? Leanne Bonnet, how you doing? Angie Lynn, howdy. Gotta love that howdy. Where's Brian? Rupa Paul. I know Rupa's in here somewhere. Gemma, what's happening? I'm gonna say differently. Gemma is Lister T's sister, but Lister T is Gemma's sister. Both love him to death. What's happening, ladies? Keep doing what you're doing. Makulasar, if I said that wrong, right? I don't know. Raman, how you doing? I'm getting better. Eid Mubarak to you, sir. Thank you. Deanna. Uh-oh, it jumped. Deanna, where'd you go? I know Deanna's on here somewhere. Tanya Steve Hennard, what's happening? My Michigan angel who's kicking, rocking it. Keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. Bust out another line today, Tanya. She did once, and she's going to do it again. I know it. Jandon Sheet, how you doing? There's Rupa Paul. Yes, India is very happy. Very proud of what India is doing. Keep doing what you're doing, Rupa. Jump in there. Do all you can. John White, John White in that cabinet. You know, Bill's getting mad at me for talking about that cabinet, John, but that's okay. Tracy Gear, I said hi to you, I think. Rochelle Mitchell. Amit, how you doing? Ooh, I got them all over the place here. If I missed you. Guys, and Facebook hasn't been real nice to me lately. I've been trying to go back and make likes to all the comments, and it doesn't even let me, so be patient with that. I'm not sure what's going on. Eski Menajawi, how you doing? If I said that, I hope I did. Namaste, Sat Pat, how you doing? I think I'm getting everybody here. Let's see, Penkawa Kumur, how you doing? Julie Wen, what's happening? Okay, I think I got everybody. I don't know, but guys, you heard Ash Mafara came on the roundtable yesterday. Said some pretty amazing things. Peter Shore and I think Daryl Cook helped out, wrote some phenomenal notes. Get back there and read them. They are in the update section. Really, really, really big stuff. One thing that I loved what he said yesterday is he's been saying for the last week and a half, we will repaint the world. Okay? Get it? Let me say it again, loud and clear. We will repaint the world. That's Onpassive. That's the founders. What does he mean by that? That means he wants to fix things, guys. Let's put color where there's darkness. Let's put light where there's darkness. That's what he's saying. The Onpassive products, the Onpassive way is going to paint the world brand new. Smiling faces. Love and peace. Get rid of the wars. All kind of great things. You guys all know he's talked about he added something yesterday new with what he's building. I won't say it on here. I want you to check out the notes. Very, very exciting to hear that. Everything he says in the last 3 months is just a buildup. It's a humongous buildup for excitement, for marketing, for compounding. There's not one thing has said lately that doesn't blow me away. He keeps popping on these webinars here and there, and he drops these little things to us saying, hey, it's coming. Can he tell us everything? He's not going to tell us everything. He wants you to be surprised. But know this, if you're a founder today, you are looking pretty darn good right now, let me tell you. I like how he said everyone's going to start off in the green. I thought that was pretty amazing. And you got to get back there and read those notes. I'm not saying it all on here. It's important, but I want to appreciate all the people that are doing lives right now and getting this out. I've been trying to get back and share them on my Facebook. If I missed you, don't worry, I'll find it. I'll get them. I know they pop all over the place. So very, very appreciative of that. If I'm missing anybody, I don't know. But today, 2 o'clock, get on that. Bring your family. Bring your friends. Get them on there. Share it to them. Share it to their, if they don't got time, share it to them. They'll find the time if they want to change their lives. 9 o'clock, very, very exciting. Oh, bless. Oh, bless. Oh, bless. Oh, bless. Oh, bless. Okay. Ash did make a comment the other day is start doing it now. I tell people my biggest fear is once everything starts coming in, everyone that said something they want to do something, they're going to run away. I don't want you to do that. Make yourself a promise that you're going to do this. You're going to stick with it. It's real easy to talk about it. It's a lot harder to do it, but we're going to do it together and repaint the world, rechange the world. It's already happening. We have over 5,000 people on the Angels list. Julie put that form in the back office to make it easier of your information. It's pretty cool stuff there, right, guys? But I think about only 5,000 people. We've got 1,300,000 founders, and the percentages ain't there. I need to pick them up. But I only want you to pick out those percentages if you really do it from the heart. Don't say it. Don't say it if you're not going to do it. Right? I have more respect for you just to say, I just want to be a founder. That's okay. I have more respect for you for that way. But if you want to get in Noblesse and really change the world and be part of something that's history making, well, I suggest you fill out that form and get in this. I think Julie reposted it in the update section. Please check out your back office every single day, guys. Every single day, check. There's something new going back there. Read it, understand it. Put a new pop-up in there right when you open your back office. Read it, understand it. All right, it's happening. It's real. All right. Right now it is raining in Michigan, but it's always sunny in my world. I got to put the old sunglasses. It's so sunny in my world. Every one of you that are founders, you should be excited because it really is all done for you. Soon, you'll be seeing many things happening here. Ash has told us this. Be ready. Be prepared. And everything's going to follow in steps. As Ash comes out with different things, you're going to be told exactly what to do, and it's easy. Plug and play, just like Onpassive. Don't fear or fret it. You don't have to be technical. We're all here to serve each other and help each other out. But it's pretty simple. All you really got to do is share it out. All right, I did say something on Marty's Live in the comments today, and I believe in it. Outer looks turn heads. Inner looks turn hearts. You know, I always say, well, I'm a sexy guy, but you ought to see my heart. Woo! That's what I want to see. I don't look at people for their outer looks. I look at what's inside of them. I know by talking to individuals on here who really has that heart. And there's a lot of you. So I want you to keep it up. Don't stop. If you have a birthday today, happy birthday. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Remember my brother Robert. Bill Musk is feeling a little better. Please give him a shout out for prayers. Absolutely pray for Renata's family. They lost someone in their family. And keep praying, guys. Prayer is definitely power. All right, who else is jumping on? Marcine, how you doing? I got to take these off. I can't see nothing. I just seen a new one. Hold on, I'm going to catch a Delaware? And, of course, my computer froze up. Oofa, how you doing? And, guys, I do my lives on Facebook. Bill Musk then makes a YouTube, not only on my channel, but his channel. I try to share his channel out because he's helped me so much. Bernard, there's a new one. How you doing, Bernard? What's happening? Oh, boy, it's bouncing. You guys understood what I'm saying. Linda Chapetta, there's Linda, how you doing? Ooh, I can't see anything. Thanks for the prayers, guys. They always work. Trust me. You know, a lot of the times when you pray to God, he says no. Totally understand that. Boy, if he gave us everything we wanted, I think we'd be in trouble. But sometimes he says yes. And I believe in my heart that God has said yes to Noblesse because he knows what it's about. He knows. He understands. I believe he put it into Ash Mafar's heart. This is what needs to be done. All right? And that's what we're doing. All right? So don't forget about it. Receiving is nice, but giving, woo, it makes your world go around. All right. I got to get going. A short live today. I appreciate everyone that came on here. Remember to check out Red and Marty's lives on their YouTube channels. They always do a phenomenal job. We don't ever know when Ash is going to show up. So stay plugged in. There's at least 5 webinars a day you can get on. And plug into one of them. I kind of have my favorites. I jump on here, jump on there. And that's what I do because 24 hours a day, There's quite a bit of them to get on. There's no excuses. All kind of ones to get on there. All right, guys, I got to go. I love every one of you. Get to the 2 o'clock, which is in about 45 minutes or a little more. 9 o'clock. Oh, bless. I will not post the Oh Bless webinar till later in the evening, so let everyone else get their webinars in. But it is at 9 o'clock EDT. Don't miss it. Daryl Cook, Janet Butler, I believe will blow you away with not just showing us how to do it, but what they're doing. It's pretty amazing. And that's what I'm asking for. I'm looking for every country out there. I want to know what you're doing, what you're planning for. Because right now we're in the planning stage. We're building that infrastructure. Now we have people, especially these educators tonight, very, very smart individuals that are actually showing you how to do it through the laws, regulations. And every state, city, country has different regulations. So it's important we all understand that. It's going to be a great educational webinar. So get on there tonight. It's a little later, 9 o'clock. That's because I want to get a few more people in different parts of the world on there. But please don't miss it. It's going to be pretty darn cool. All right. I love every one of you. I'll see you later. Ciao. Bill Must. Roll that YouTube. Bye.